Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this episode, we're going to do some prep work for the Dodge V10. Stay tuned. Alrighty guys, so the word on the street is that the engine is finally out of the Viper. That was yesterday, but that's 2 days ago for you guys. I got it out on Tuesday, but I won't be able to get to me until Friday, because I don't have an engine stand for the V10. And my engine stand has a K24 on it. But anyways, we're going to get some more tools. So probably a puller and valve compression tool as well. So let's go for a drive. Look, I would have went and picked it up myself, but my trailer is kind of in use. It's a few of our boxes. Just waiting for Friday. So you're going to be pretty busy on Friday. Moving, getting the engine. Alright boys, let's go in the Skyline. Alright guys, haven't been in here for a little bit. Alright, go for a drive. We're down to Super Cheap and Autobarn for some tools. Alrighty guys, just ducked back in, picked up some tools. Might go to pick apart and see if I can get this low pressure line for the power steering for the fuzz. Alright, let's go! Guys, I found a couple of pullers. Just have to find out what size I need. There was a couple that were 3-inch, and then there was bigger ones. There was also valve remover tools, just like the one that we've got at home actually, but I need the actual bits that will go into it. Let's go have a look at Autobarn. Yeah, head up to part. Hey guys, it looks like Autobarn is the place to go to get some tools. But right now, we'll head up to pick apart. Have a little look around, see if there's any power steering lines for the fuzz. Alrighty guys, just about to pull in to pick apart. Have a little look around, and if I find something I'll come back out and grab my tools. I haven't got anything to carry them in. A few people here, good day. Somebody got themselves an engine. Alrighty guys, found one. So this is the hose that I need. So this would have been a little bit easier to get to, but fun. We'll get that. So I got the hard line and the hose as well. So everything. So next episode we'll do that. So pretty much everything that I did in the last 3 episodes needs to come out. Anyways, let's head back to the garage. There she is. Chuck that in the back. Not open. Yeah, all this stuff's still in here from the K24. Tomorrow's episode, guys. Power steering.